In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect only images using Google Forms. Whether you're conducting a survey or simply gathering information through images, Google Forms is a versatile and easy tool to help you accomplish that. We'll walk through the process step by step so you'll be ready to start collecting images in no time at all. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You'll need to be logged into your Google account for this next part to work. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labelled New. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options for creating different types of documents. Hover over this menu until you find Google Forms. Selecting this will create a new form for you. At this point, you'll be given a few template options. For now, let's keep it simple and select Blank Form. Once your new form has opened, the first thing you'll want to do is give it a name. This is a crucial step as it helps keep your forms organized, especially if you're managing multiple surveys or data collection projects. Now with your form titled, it's time to add a question. In the form editor, look for the option to add question and click on it. A question field will appear, giving you the chance to adjust the type of response you're seeking. Since we're focused on collecting images, click on the drop-down menu for response types and select File Upload. A prompt may appear explaining that responders will need to sign in to upload a file. Click Continue to proceed. You'll then find options to further customize the type of files allowed. Look for the setting that says Allow only specific file types and enable this feature. A series of checkboxes will appear, and from these select Image to ensure that only image files can be uploaded. The next consideration is file size and quantity. Here you can set the parameters on how large the uploaded images can be and how many images each responder is allowed to submit. Tweak these settings to fit your needs, ensuring that file sizes remain manageable for your storage. Another essential step is making the question required. This ensures that responders cannot submit the form without uploading an image, which is the core purpose of this form. You'll find a small toggle to enable the required function. Give that a click. Before making it live, it's a great habit to preview your form to make sure everything works as expected. Find the preview button, which looks like an eye icon, and click on it. Review the setup and ensure that all functionalities align with your vision. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, you're ready to publish. Click on the Send button to distribute your new form, and you're all set to start collecting images. That's how you set up a Google form to collect only images. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.